Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. I received a lot of queries on daily basis that what about the TCS NQT 25 exam result update. Candidates are mentioning that like the result is sent to our college and college is sending the list, okay, that is related to result. What is based on next step, and I suggest always believe on official update if you received update from company or you received the update from college. First of all, I have request from all of you, join this 2025 batch WhatsApp group. Okay, this WhatsApp group is very helpful for all of you because we will share all the updates in that group. Okay, if this group full, we will definitely make the new group. Okay, and we already created playlist for 2025 batch in which cutoff related video based, meaning TCS interview preparation. Previously for the 2024 batch we created interview preparation series, so you can start your advanced interview preparation, guys. It is very important for all of you. First of all, we will discuss about the result and the college list. Okay, so what is the previous trend? So this is the 2024 batch mail. Okay, candidate received the direct mail from the TCS team. There are two type of condition. You will receive the direct mail from the TCS team, and firstly you will receive the result through your college. Okay, सो कॉलेज की तरफ से भी आपको रिजल्ट के बारे में बताया जा सकता है. यू विल रिसीव द डायरेक्ट मेल फ्रॉम द TCS टीम एंड यू विल रिसीव द रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द कॉलेज. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मेल, ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम TCS कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट टीम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, वी आर हैप्पी टू इन्फॉर्म दैट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस इन NQT 24 you have been shortlisted for TCS prime interview with us. Further details on the interview process would be shared with you shortly. Okay, hi, I got this prime interview. I was following your YouTube channel only since beginning from the exam. Thank you. I will be preparing for the interview now. Okay, how many coding question you solved? Both the questions solved completely. So this is the poll. Okay, we created on our WhatsApp group. This is group number 1, group number 2, group number 3 and group number 4. TCS Engineering NQT got update from college result next week. 0 candidate mentioned, 0 candidate, 133 candidate mentioned, no update, 65 candidates, 78 candidates and 65. So if you received any kind of update from your college, okay, that result is released by this week, please mention in the comment section. Okay, you can mention like received update, and you can mention the college name and the city. Okay, what's your college name and the college city? So it will very helpful for all candidates to get to know about all the updates. Okay, so I always say we have to believe on official update. I already said there are two type of condition. You will receive the direct mail from the TCS team that you are shortlisted for interview, and second thing is you will receive the result through your college TPO that TCS team shared. Suppose the TCS team is partnered with your college previously, means in the on campus they also give you opportunity, and in the off campus, so directly TCS team shared the list of selected candidates with the college TPO, so you will get to know about for which role you are shortlisted, prime, digital and the ninja. Okay, this type of two thing will be there. What about the TCS result timeline? Many candidates are asking. As we know that first exam date is 15th March and approx the result date should be 15 to 20 April, but today is 1 May. Okay, so the result is delay. Most probably the result will be released as soon as possible. Okay, most probably इस week में भी आ सकता है result, next week में भी आ सकता है. According to their timelines they will release the result, and always result will release in the form of phases. What do you mean by phases? Phases means the different dates. According to exam dates, result will be announced. In phases means a different date. 15th March is the exam date, 20 March, 25 March, 26 March, 31st March. So multiple exam date, so multiple result dates are there. Already result is delayed, guys. Okay, so the thing is they will definitely release the result, and I already said you will receive the two type of update. अब यहाँ पर अगर आपको कॉलेज TPO की तरफ से पता भी चलता है दैट यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर निंजा डिजिटल एंड प्राइम इंटरव्यू, देन यू विल ऑल्सो रिसीव द डायरेक्ट मेल फ्रॉम द TCS टीम. ओके, that you are shortlisted for Prime or either Ninja or digital interview, and soon we will share the interview details with you. Okay, soon they will share the interview details with you. This is the thing. Okay, so result is delayed. Most probably we will receive result by this week or next week. Totally depends on their timeline, क्योंकि ये TCS टीम पे डिपेंड करेगा. आपको कोई नहीं बता सकता है. ओके, कोई भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर ये नहीं बता सकता है कि इस डेट पे इस टाइम पे रिजल्ट आएगा. The TCS team will definitely release the result, okay, according to the timelines. We have to wait patiently till apply for other opportunities as well, okay, because we know that after result there is a interview. After clearance interview there is a document verification process. After that joining. So side by side apply for other opportunities, so it will be added advantage for you. And this is a previous trend for the 2024 batch. In the 1 month of span of time the result is released, but this time the result is delayed, and we are expecting that they will release the result as soon as possible. What about the TCS NQT exam cutoff? I already created detailed video on TCS NQT exam cutoff 1 month ago. It will very helpful for all of you. Okay, many candidates solve the 2 coding question. All test cases pass. Prime role they received. Okay, and thank you. And aptitude is normal. Thank you for your guidance, which helped me a lot of preparation in phase, sir. Okay, many candidates solve the 1.5 question. I always say 1 to 1.5 question digital opportunity. 1.5 to 2 complete question solve, there is a prime opportunity. Okay, so 1.5 question solve aptitude normal, candidate receive the digital. 1.5 question solve, candidate receive the digital. Solve only medium code, 1 coding question solve. Okay, first is easy, or we can say that first is medium and second is hard. Okay, candidate only solve the 1 question. 6 out of 7 test cases still got the TCS digital. So there are multiple candidate cutoff condition. And again I am stating about the TCS NQT batch status on the next step portal. Every day you have to check on daily basis. Okay, and mention in the comment section as well, like only applied for drive is showing or candidate batched is showing. What does it means by candidate batched? Candidate batched means you clear the examination and your registration for interview is in the process, or we can say that you are shortlisted for the interview. Okay, so this type of candidate batched will be there. Candidate applied for drive. After, if you clear the examination and if you shortlisted for the interview, candidate batched option will be activated. Okay, this type. You can see on my screen that this is a previous mail. Application received, applied for drive, candidate batched, offer letter, offer accepted, ILP eligible, ILP schedule and joining letter generated. This is the previous trend of examination. Okay, this is related to that, and this is a screenshot of candidate of 2025 year. Okay, this month, like previous month, but it is related to TCS BPS or TCS smart hiring. Okay, this is not related to TCS engineering NQT. तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन शो होता है, मीन्स यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर इंटरव्यू, एंड लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. This is the update of TCS NQT current exam result update. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video and start your advanced interview preparation and join our official WhatsApp group for latest update. Thanks for watching the video.